Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to the English grammar class. In the previous video, I taught you the chapter number 1 of your English grammar book, the sentence. Now it's the turn to do the work in your English grammar notebook. Okay, let's start the work. First of all, you look at the notebook. This is your English grammar notebook. Yesterday I told you that you have to maintain 3 notebooks. One for practice, one for English grammar, and the third one for English literature. This is your English grammar notebook. What to do? First of all, on the first page, you write down your name. Here you have to write down your name. Then class 4, section A, B, C or D. Which of the section you are in, you have to write the section. Then subject, English grammar. Now let's start the work. First of all, what we have to do? First of all, write down the date. So I have written the date on the top. You also write the date on the top. Then the number of the chapter. Chapter number is 1. So on the top, you write down the chapter number. It's chapter 1. Then write down the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is the sentence. Dear students, always be careful whenever we write the name of the chapter. Every word begin with capital letter of the title. जब भी हम किसी भी चैप्टर का टाइटल लिखते हैं या चैप्टर का नाम लिखते हैं, तब उसका हर वर्ड का every word's first letter is written capital. Understand? Now let's start the work. First of all, in English grammar, whichever the topic is being done, you have to define that topic. Today's our topic is a sentence. So first of all, here you have to define a sentence. So I have written over here the definition of the sentence. You also have to write the same. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense. Yes, dear students, while doing the work, be careful about the handwriting. Your handwriting should be neat and the formation of the letters should be proper. You can see I have written here a sentence. Always when we are using the Richardson's pattern of the letters or the words to write, the capital letter is never joined with the small letters. Students, आप देख रहे हैं, जब हम कैपिटल लेटर से किसी वर्ड को लिखते हैं तो उसके जो अनदर लेटर्स होते हैं वो स्मॉल होते हैं, पर कैपिटल लेटर के साथ स्मॉल लेटर को ज्वाइन नहीं किया जाता. देन आई हैड जॉइंड अनदर ऑल स्मॉल लेटर्स विद ईच अदर. You can see the spellings. A sentence, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. After S, E-N-T-E-N-C-E, all these are joined together, but S is not joined with all these letters. Then I-S. In the previous video, I told you, sometimes we use this S and sometimes we use this S. ये दोनों S कब कब यूज होते हैं अभी मैं बताती हूँ आपको. वो इसके साथ जॉइन नहीं होता है. हमारे पास S जो है किसी लेटर के बाद आता है, तब हम ये वाला S यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि इसको मैंने इस तरह से जॉइन किया है. यू कैन सी लेकिन यहाँ पर ये लेटर जो है Y ये नीचे आके कर्व होके फिनिश हो रहा है. Here we use the simple S because the letters which end downwards they are not joined with the another letter. तो जब हमें S को ज्वाइन नहीं करना होता तब हम ये वाला S लिखते हैं. So be careful about it. So you have to write very neatly the definition of the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense. Then you have to write the rules which we have to follow while writing a sentence. First of all, always be careful while we are writing a sentence. The first letter of the sentence should be capital. So here I have written the rule. You also have to write like me. Begin a sentence with a capital letter. जो भी सेंटेंस हो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर जो है हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, द वर्ड्स मस्ट बी इन अ सर्टेन ऑर्डर. जो वर्ड्स होते हैं सेंटेंस के उनको हमेशा प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखना चाहिए ताकि उनका मीनिंग समझ आ सके. नेक्स्ट, पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स लाइक फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क और द साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन मस्ट एंड अ सेंटेंस. कोई भी सेंटेंस है उसकी एंडिंग जो है या तो फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क या फिर साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क के साथ होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज अ गुड बॉय. दिस सेंटेंस is having full stop at the last because this is a statement. That's why full stop ends a sentence. जब कोई स्टेटमेंट होती है तब उसके एंड में हम लोगों को फुल स्टॉप लगाना होता है. नेक्स्ट, why are you crying? You can see the first letter of the sentence is capital and it ends with a question mark because this is an asking sentence. इस सेंटेंस में हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं ना कि बता रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द फ्लावर इज. साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन because in this sentence a sudden feeling is there. That's why the sign of exclamation mark is put over there. How beautiful the flower is. मतलब कि एक सडन फीलिंग है अच्छे से फ्लावर को देखकर जब कोई बोलता है वाओ कितना सुंदर फ्लावर है. हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द फ्लावर इज. At that time we have to put sign of exclamation. Thank you children. In the next video I will explain the kinds of the sentences. Goodbye. Take care.